Parang kulang sa akin ng pea-sized amount, guys. Ayan. Parang kulang sa akin ng... Hey guys, beautiful day. This is my face now.
Having tired, dull skin and has blemishes.
Ito ako may pinakamaraming blemishes. I think this is the best time para the best time to use facial scrub kasi marami tayong mga dead skin cells at kailangan tayong mag-exfoliate para mag-brighten up din ang ating face. Well, today we will be trying out a new facial scrub. It is not my first time to try facial scrub, but this one is my first time to try the one from Hello Glow. The Hello Glow Niacinamide Brightening Facial Scrub.
This product contains microfine exfoliating beads for smooth and glowing skin. Contains 100 grams of product. This Hello Glow Niacinamide Brightening Facial Scrub deeply cleanses pores and helps remove dead skin cells. Without drying the skin, it is infused with multiple potent skin-caring ingredients suitable for all skin types. Ingredients like niacinamide and vitamin C reduces dark circles and pigmentation and also lightens the skin, with allantoin aloe vera, kiwi fruit extract, and vitamin E for moisturization and boost skin hydration.
I love the packaging. It's so minimal, hindi masyadong maingay, at kitang-kita mo agad nga, yes, it is niacinamide, brightening nga siya, at facial scrub siya. Yung hindi ka na mag-wonder kung para saan to, anong niacinamide, kasi nakalagay na brightening siya, and it's for the face. So malamang it is a scrub for the face that can brighten up your face. Ayun. So, very understandable. So, mga bago sa skincare, hindi na kayo mahihirapan. We will be using it like a facial wash. Now that my face is wet, open natin. So, first time ko pa talaga siyang gagamitin. Ayan. Pea-sized amount lang. Oh! Creamy. And yung scrub niya is maliliit lang. Parang kulang sa akin ng pea-sized amount, guys. Ayan. You see the scrub? The beads? You see the beads? Ayan. Maliliit na beads lang siya.
The scrubs for exfoliation can be used 2 or 3 times a week.
Yeah, it's melon. May melon siya. In the chin part. Now, let's rinse. As you can see, instant freshness. Brighten up ang aking face. Refreshed. Ayan. Nice. But yung smell niya, it stays. Parang melon, something like that. Moisturize pa rin. Hindi yung super clean ang feeling. Hindi din banat ang mukha ko. Nice. Hey guys, I'm back. Nakaligo na ako. Inuna ko lang yung facial scrub. Hindi ko lang sinabay sa pagligo para makita nyo yung before the application and yung result ng paggamit ng facial scrub. And also, aside from this facial scrub, there are 2 products. There are 2 existing products, si Hello Glow. Actually, 3 na brightening products. If I'm not mistaken, merong yung serum na AHA Booster Serum. And I have right here this 2, Blemish Miracle Serum Sheet Mask with AHA and BHA. And the Vitamin C Serum Soothing Gel. Vitamin C plus jojoba spears. This one, na-review ko na sa aking channel, sa aking YT channel. And this one, wala akong ginawang specific review, but nakagamit na rin ako ng mga sheet mask from Hello Glow. Dahil tapos na tayong mag-facial scrub, this will serve as my serum or moisturizing skincare. So this one helps renew and brighten skin as well. And it is called the Blemish Miracle Serum Sheet Mask. Guys, nakalimutan kong sabihin, nagkinis yung aking ilong tapos yung chin part ko after using the scrub. So it is really a good exfoliating product. Now, ito naman. Sabaw, kulang sa tulog. Ito na yung back to usual programming natin, guys. Pag nagsi-skincare na, pag ganun na ang video ko dito sa TikTok, at nasa CR or nasa dresser yung background or your setup sa video, meaning, back to usual programming. Ito na naman ako. Hindi naman first time, pero nagkakamali pa rin. Ayan! Serum, guys. Okay. Grams of product, meaning, meron pa yung naiiwan, guys. So, ang ginagawa ko sa naiiwan is, nilalagay ko sa aking arms for that brightening effect. Same lang din. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes until the sheet mask is fully dry and not super dry, but mafe-feel mo na yung product, yung serum sa sheet is nag-transfer na sa face mo kasi medyo natutuklap na siya ng pusa sa face. Yan. Ayan, natatanggal na siya. Ayan. Hindi pwede na mag-extend siya ng sobrang tagal sa face. It feels so moisturizing, and as you can see, ang shiny ng aking face. This one, para hindi sayang, ipahid natin sa ating feet. So that's it, guys. That's how to brighten up our face using products with niacinamide, vitamin C, and also AHA and BHA to exfoliate our skin. So, ganun lang. If you have blemishes, if you have dull skin, you can use products with those ingredients. And if you're looking for products with those ingredients and also very budget friendly and affordable, go for Hello Glow Niacinamide Brightening Facial Scrub and this one, the Blemish Miracle Serum Sheet Mask with AHA and BHA. And also, you can apply this as well, a soothing gel for face and body. But ako, mas ginagamit ko to sa body para hindi na mahilo yung aking face na kung ano-ano na lang ang nilalagay ko. So, in specific days lang, kung dull ang aking skin, I'll go for brightening ingredients. Or if I do have blemishes na matagal makuha or hindi diretsong natatanggal, I use the brightening skincare products on a daily basis. Link ko na lang lahat sa yellow basket at flash ko sa screen if ever na may nakalimutan akong sabihin.